In this video, we're going to show you how to create customer ship-to addresses and auto-generate that ship-to number. So the first thing we're going to do is come into a customer card, click on the customer tab right here, and then come to ship-to addresses. So you'll notice that we do not have anything yet. I'm just going to go ahead and click new, and you'll notice that that code is automatically generated. Now, at this point, similar to out-of-box Business Central, it's going to pre-populate the information that you have already on the customer card. Maybe we go 5678 Main Street. We're still in Dallas, and we can go ahead and get out of here. Now, you'll notice that that saves our address. If I click the new button here, it's going to generate C00100-02, just indicating that next number in the ship to list. Again, I can edit it. If I don't tab out, it's not going to save anything. As soon as I tab to the next field, you'll notice that it does save it. If you need to delete anything, of course, you can always delete it out of box functionality there. And again, if I click new, I also have the ability to edit that code. So maybe I'm going to do another one here in Austin, Texas, and we'll do 1234 Main Street again. And this will be in Austin now, just a different zip code here. And we'll go ahead and save that. Now you'll see I've got C00100-01 and Austin for the two ship tos there. Now, if I get back out of here, and I come into my advanced document numbering setup, I'll need to scroll down under here to this miscellaneous section under auto number the customer ship tos, and then the allow edit ship to code. So let's turn this off and go back into a customer. Now I've got that edit off. So if I come here, come to the ship to, and try to generate a new one, you'll notice that it's -02. We have not used that 02 yet, and it's locking it down. It's not going to allow me to edit that code, so you would not be able to put Austin in there. It's just going to go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way up to 99. And again, if I tab off of this and save it, it's going to go -02, and now create 03 as I come back in here. Again, we'll come out of here and finally go back into the setup. So the last option here, I can have that code on or off. And then this auto number, if I turn this off, it's just going to follow out-of-box Business Central functionality. So again, if I come back into the customer and click ship to and click new, it is not going to have the ability there to auto-generate. It's just going to make you type in that code manually. And let's actually go back one more time here. I'm going to turn that allow edit on. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to edit it, and now it will follow out-of-box functionality. So again, here we can go Houston, Texas, and now I've got Austin, Houston, and then those two others that were auto-generating. So that's the gist of how to auto-create the ship tos for your customers. If you found this video useful, please feel free to drop a comment or a subscribe here on our channel, and we look forward to hearing from you.